Jose Maria Ramos de Leon Jr., born October 14, 1946, professionally known as Joey de Leon and also known as Henyo Master, is a Filipino comedian, actor, television host, and songwriter. He is one of the members of the comedy trio, collectively known as TVJ, with the Soto brothers, Tito and Vic. Aside from being one of the pioneer hosts of Eat Bulaga, De Leon is also the creator of the said noontime variety show as recognized by the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines and the co-founder of the show's production company, TVJ Productions. Prior to being an entertainer, De Leon earned his architecture degree from the National University in Manila. De Leon started his showbiz career in the 1960s as a radio disc jockey and announcer. He worked for 12 radio stations, including all 7 radio stations owned by ABS-CBN Corporation, such as including DZMM, as well as other broadcasters like Channel 9. His first big break on TV was IBC13's gag show Okay Lang. In 1975, De Leon became a co-host of GMA Network's late afternoon variety show Discorama, hosted by Bobby Ledesma. He invited his former co-stars at Okay Lang, the Soto brothers Tito, Vic and Val, to join him at Discorama. Only Tito and Vic accepted De Leon's invitation. The newly formed trio began to do comedy newscast segments interspersed with top 40 hit song parodies. Originally, the trio's appearance was supposed to be a one-off invitation as Discorama was set to be axed, but after getting good feedback from the viewers and high ratings, the show was given a new lease on life by GMA management. The trio was later invited to become part of the noontime show Student Canteen as they released 12 albums based on their Discorama Tough Hits segment. In 1979, Tito, Vic and Joey began hosting the noontime show Eat Bulaga, which was pitted against the more established Student Canteen. Not long after, Eat Bulaga toppled Student Canteen from the ratings. De Leon's films include stars in series Elvis and James, Barbie and more. De Leon did several TV shows for GMA Network and ABC. In 1995, he made a film comeback via the comedy bangers for Viva Films as well as Pipti Pipti, Ani Tipo Kong Lalik and Takit Ako Sa Darling Ko. He hosts Eat Bulaga, which is now the longest-running TV program in the Philippines, and appears in other shows like Mal and Joey, Startup, Nuts Entertainment, and started a new show for ABC such as Wal Mully, his long-running TV show on the same network. He is also the resident judge of the annual reality-based Star Search Starstruck and writes the entertainment column De Leon's Den once a week in the Philippine Broadsheet Manila Bulletin. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.